Hi everyone and welcome to How To Experts. In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube not showing comments. To start, open your YouTube application. Then tap on your profile on the upper right and then click on Settings. Once you're now in Settings, click on General. Then in here, turn on Restricted Mode. If it is turned on, you need to turn it off this time. Now close your YouTube application. Now the next step right now is to head on over and go to your Google Play Store over at your mobile device. Now using the search bar, you will need to search for YouTube. Once you find YouTube, tap on it. And then in here, you will need to update your YouTube application if the button says Update. Once done, close your Google Play Store this time. Then head on over to your Settings application. On Settings, scroll down and then look for Apps. Once you're now in Apps, you can scroll down or use the search bar to locate YouTube. Just type in YouTube. Once you find YouTube, tap on it. Then, on the bottom right, click on Force Stop, then click OK. Now click on Storage. And then in here, tap on Clear Cache. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.